Avery Printable 3-inch by 5-inch cards 150 blank index cards in-depth reviews. This product has 4.7 stars based on 1277 ratings and 241 reviews. 94% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 3% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said Avery is great as always. This Avery product is easy to use and exceeds all my needs. The Avery products are always effective for my use and they sustain their quality very well over time. They are one of my dependable go-to products for computer template printing projects. Thanks Avery for your commitment to us. Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Not recommended at all. My biggest quip with this product is that it is not accurate. Using the template is a waste because the paper isn't accurate. For example, the header of the sheets range from 0.9 inch to 1.25 depending on the sheet pulled. If you're just using the center of each card, it's not a problem. However, if you attempt to use more, you take the chance of being thrown off. Also, the paper is not sturdy enough to print on the backside if that was something you are looking to do. I'd expect more from Avery in terms of quality and accuracy. That's it.
Life gets busy. Get organized with Avery products. Avery heavy-duty binders with DuraHinge for everyday organization and reference. Ready Index Dividers takes the guesswork out of organization with pre-colored tabs and one-sheet indexing. File folder labels with True Block technology sets the standard in folder labeling, and bright color coding labels grab attention. Mailing and shipping labels are guaranteed to stick and stay on a variety of surfaces, such as shipping boxes, mailers, and much more. Only Avery offers a full line of materials, shapes, and features for home, office, and small business. And only Avery offers proprietary material and adhesive technologies such as SureFeed, Easy Peel, and True Block. Life gets busy. Get organized with Avery products.